Now we will do the white oxidation. We will use our furnace to do it. The first step, we need to turn on the gas outside. This is the key for the gas door.
아 좋아.
Now this is the gas cabinet. We need to open the door. And this is for nitrogen.
하얀색 라인이 퍼스트라고 말해.
And this is for oxygen.
然后你说那两个透明管是那个做那个 furnace 的氮气和氧气。
This two channel is for oxygen and nitrogen for our white oxidation. Then we close the door. Okay, this is our furnace. First, we need to turn on the power and the heating power on. Then we could see here, we could set up for the program. We could see, push this button to see the program. The first step, the temperature increasing rate means 5 degrees every minute. Then the temperature will increase to 400 degrees. And this is the dwelling time. It's 20 minutes. It means that after the temperature is increasing 400 degrees, the furnace will wait for 20 minutes automatically. Then we could use this time to place in our sample. And this is the step 2. The temperature increasing rate is also 5 degrees every minute. And we will use this rate to increasing the time to 800 degrees. Then the furnace will also wait for 20 minutes. And this is the step 3. The temperature increasing speed is 3 degrees every minute. We will use this rate to increasing the temperature to 1000. So here we could change the temperature down, decrease and increase,
천으로 맞춰.
decrease. One thousand. Okay. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Oh. One.
저장 어떻게 해요? 왜 안 돼?
Now this is dwelling time 3. We will make the wait time 40 minutes because we want to do the white oxidation at 1000 degree for 30 minutes. It's up to our it's up to the thickness we want, but we need 10 more minutes to to make the temperature at 1000 degree be stable. So the total time, dwelling time is 40 minutes. So now we change the dwelling time 3. Now the time is 2 hours and 25 minutes. Hour, minutes. So we decrease it. 40 minutes. Okay.
오른쪽 거만 왼쪽 거만 안 돼, 왼쪽 거만.
Now we need to check the step 4. And this two, when we put these two together,
他说让你摁左边的。
这个哈，这个吗？
嗯。
啊。Then this is the step 4. After our oxidation, we need to decrease the temperature. The decreasing rate is 5 degrees every minute. Then we use this rate to decrease the temperature to 400 degrees. Then we also have 20 minutes dwelling time to take out our sample. After that, we do not shut down the power. It will be shut down the power automatically when the furnace is cool. So the first one button is go back to the main menu. It will show the current temperature. Now the temperature for our furnace is 39 degrees. After we set up, we need to run our furnace. Push these two, the third and the fourth button together at the same time. It will change the mood, run and stop. Now we will push them together. You see, here is a mark run. After we push it together at the same time again, the run will be sparking this mark. It means stop now. It's run again. Now, like we introduced this channel is for oxygen, and this channel is for the water evaporator, and this channel is for the nitrogen, and this channel is connected to our furnace. So first we need to connect the nitrogen into our furnace. So we turn on this wave, nitrogen wave. Turn on it. And here we have two gauge, oxygen gauge and the nitrogen gauge. We need to turn on the nitrogen gauge and to make it, here has a mark, this float mark.
0.8
We need to make the nitrogen keep 0.8 liters per minute. 0.8 liters per minute. Then we need to wait for our furnace. The temperature is increasing to 400 degree. The temperature is up to 400 degree. We need to place in our sample. This is the sample frame. When we do the wax oxidation for 4-inch wafer, we use this frame. But when we do the small one, we need to use this frame and put it on the big one. Remember that before it's cool enough, do never touch it by hands. Now, open the door. Now we need to load our samples. First one. So, unlock it. Because the temperature is very high, so we need to be very careful. Take the first cover. And then use this to take out the second cover. The temperature is very high. Then we take the cover. And to keep this upside, downside, keep this at the bottom. Okay. This cover to the position, around this position is okay. Now, cover this, and remember that to keep this one downside, keep this one downside. And then to lock it, we lock it. We need to remember that when we do oxidation, we should not close the furnace door. Keep it open, it's okay. Now when the temperature is up to 900 degrees, we need to heat the water, make it boil to generate a water evaporator. First, turn on the heater, and then to make this knob, the temperature is at this mark. this is the heating temperature. Now when the temperature is up to 1000 degree, because the dulling time is 40 minutes, we need to wait for 10 minutes to let the 1000 degree be stable. After 10 minutes and the water is also boiled, we need to open the oxygen valve. Then we need to cover the water bottom, cover it. And the oxygen we need to turn on it, and to make the value 0.5 liters per minute. 0.5 per minute. Then we turn off the nitrogen valve and turn on the water valve.
然后解释。
Then this is the oxygen to the water bottle, and to mix the water evaporator here and through this way into our furnace.
开的话
If we forget to open the water evaporator valve, because there is always put in oxygen, the bottom will be exposed. We will wait for 30 minutes to let it be oxygen. Close the water valve. This one. And open the nitrogen. Open the nitrogen. Then we open the nitrogen valve. We need to open the nitrogen gauge to keep it at 0.8 liters per minute. And open the bottom cover. Then we need to turn off the water heater and close the power.
对对对。
At step 4, when the furnace temperature decreased to 400 degrees automatically, we could turn out our samples. The temperature is very high. Need to keep careful. And pull out the cover. And pull out it. Then we
빼주면 완료가 되겠습니다.
to keep this on the bottom and put the cover into the original place. This cover. This is on the bottom. Cover it. We use the steel line to lock it. Then we close the nitrogen and close the nitrogen gauge. Then we and turn off the power, heating power and the furnace power, and lock it. Okay. After we finish our white oxidation, we need to remember to close the gas. Open the door and close the nitrogen and the oxygen.
然后说钥匙放远处。
Lock the door and remember that the keys to put it in the original place.